Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are continuing in answering this question paper. We are on question 8 now. In the previous video, we answered this question and this one. Please make sure you watch to listen to the explanations on how to answer those particular questions. But today we are working on vectors. Now, here is a vector m given by 11, 5 and vector n given by 8, minus 3. Please note that when vectors are represented in a column like this, the top value is the x value and then the bottom value is the y value. What do I mean? The top value is the horizontal component while the bottom value is the vertical component of the vector. All right, so let's answer this question. We've been asked to find 2m. That means we need to double this. 2m minus n. Okay, so this is going to be 2m is going to be 2 times both the horizontal and the vertical component. So 2 times 11 is 22 and 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 22 10 minus 8 minus 3. All right, so 22 minus 8, that's going to give us 14. And 10 minus 3 is actually 10 plus 3, which is 13. So our answer to that is 14, 13. All right. Now, the next question is talking about the magnitude of a vector. Now, this vector 5 root y has a magnitude of y. The magnitude of a vector, let's call the vector, say vector vector A. The magnitude, which is represented as this, will be given as the square root of the x component square plus the y component square. All right, that's how to find the magnitude. Okay, magnitude magnitude is given by that. So it means that if this vector already has a magnitude of 7, it means we have 7 equals to the square root of the x component here is 5 plus the y component is root y. All square. Note that both of them need to be squared. Now, from under our root sign, we have 5 square is 25 and square root of y all square is what? Y. Now, this shows you that you need to remember your square numbers and your cube numbers. I know there's no cube number here, but when you go through your non-calculator paper, there are just some things that I assume that you know and you can recall easily, like the square of numbers 1 to 20. You should be able to identify them. You should be able to come up with the square of those numbers without thinking too much. Those are the time-saving tips that you need to excel in this non-calculator paper. All right, now that we have this, we're going to square both sides to give us 7 square equals to 25 plus y. Why did I square both sides? Because I wanted to get rid of the root sign. Okay, now 7 square is going to be 49 equals to 25 plus y. We'll move the 25 over there or collect like terms, whichever way you want to think about it. We have 49 minus 25 equal to y. 49 minus 25 is going to give us 24. So our y is 24. All right, I hope you understand. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the description box. Sorry, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you, and see you in the next video, where we are going to be answering this question on statistics.